Today, I'm going to discuss 13 side hustles that you can do from your phone that actually make you more money than many jobs around the world. And this isn't gonna be like every other video you see popping up on the internet talking about how you can make $500 a day by doing surveys online, or as long as you buy their $2,000 Amazon FBA or Shopify course, then you'll be making $10,000 a month within 30 days. No, these are going to be things that you can actually make extra money with.
Show me the money!
No, but seriously, if you try some of those survey apps out, you'll seriously work like 8 hours and you'll end up making about $350. No, but seriously, my team and I basically scraped the entire internet looking for people who actually reported making money from their phone and they had a good outcome with a bunch of different apps and a bunch of different side hustles out there. And we got all that data together, and I'm basically going to rank all of them from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best. And on top of that, I've also tried just about every side hustle out there, so I have a lot of personal experience as well, and I've tried many of them on this list. So if that sounds like something that interests you, gently cheers the like button, and let's jump into it right now. All right, so the first one we're gonna talk about is going to be mock jury. Now, what exactly is a mock jury? Well, it sounds basically exactly like what it is. So you're basically going to be doing sort of a fake jury trial. You are going to be a member of the jury. They're going to be presenting information to you, and then you might give them some feedback on how their presentation was or whether they agree with the information that you presented or not. You're going to get paid. You'll also probably get a free lunch as well, and you make somewhere between $30 to $50, sometimes even more than that in more expensive areas. Now, I'll be honest with you, there were a good amount of positive reviews on the internet about doing mock jury trials, but my honest opinion on this is it's not something that is sustainable. So if you want something that you can make a tiny little bit of extra money, it's also relatively interesting because you get to hear about cases and you get to have people present things to you, then mock jury can be good, but realistically speaking, you're not